One of the things that we're going to be doing is converting degrees, minutes, and seconds over to decimal degrees. And then obviously we're going to go from decimal degrees back to degrees, minutes, seconds, both grades, with our conversions. So we need to have ourselves an angle in degrees, minutes, and seconds. So please somebody give me an angle measure between 0 and 180 degrees for now.
123.
123 degrees. So I now need a time value, and I would prefer either 15, 30, or 45.
30.
Or 45 first. Now when we label our minutes, we put a single mark up by our minutes. That means minutes of a degree. And then again, I want seconds of a degree. And again, it's nice if we have either 15, 30, or 45.
12.
30.
130 for one of the choices I gave you.
7. Oh.
And for minutes, I'm sorry, for seconds, we use 2 of those little marks.
Like with these minutes.
So, yeah, so it's really the same thing. Feet and inches are the same type of notation. But you would say 123 degrees, 45 minutes, and 30 seconds would be a way to describe that particular angle. Our challenge is now I want to write this as an angle that's in decimal format. Because a lot of us might operate in decimal format a little more readily than we would in degrees, minutes, and seconds. How many minutes did we say was in 1 degree?
60 minutes.
So I could say that that is 123 plus 45 out of 60. And then I asked you guys to write down for me how many seconds make up an entire degree. And the reason is, now, how many seconds was in that entire degree?
3600.
So then we're going to create this fraction of 30 over 3600. And that'll give me then all those values. If I put those in my calculator and add them up, that should be able to tell me then what this thing is as a decimal form of this degree measure.
It's 123.75.
Well, it's a little more to it than this 0.75.
I'm not done yet.
Okay, well, I'm not done either.
123.75.
Yeah, that was the rest of it.
833, yeah.
Okay. And that gets a degree symbol because that is a degree measure. And the 3's keep going. So you can either put a bar over the 3 or you can go out this far and that would be enough. There's a decimal format. Now that's kind of nice. It's not all that handy, but it's kind of nice that we can do it that way. What do you think that our calculators will also do the same thing?
I think so.
Yeah, at least you're hoping so, right?
Yeah, I really am.
All right, so here we go. What you need to find on those Texas Instruments calculators is a menu that says angle.
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 Go slow, dog. I found it.
EMS?
You need to find it just says angle. Don't be trying a bunch of stuff. Just find it says
Oh, I
angle.
say, right above the apps.
Right on your own side.
Hey, it's right above that.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Go Taylor.
Oh, man. Alright, let me see.
Your stuff I don't need.
Exactly. Take this.
And I'm going to have to look at it because it will be. Give me time to capture it. Okay. All right. So here's what we're going to do. Yeah.
So what exactly do like the minutes and seconds tell us about?
Well, what they are is they're portions of a degree set up in equal quantities.
Oh, okay.
So if I take 1 degree and chop it into 60 parts, each of them are equal, that's 1 minute of a degree.
Okay.
And I take one of those minutes and I whack it up into 60 more equal parts, and that's a second of a degree.
Okay.
Okay? So that's kind of what that's telling me. So now, what we're going to do is we're going to type in 123.
123.
And then those of you who, okay, if you've got the Casio ones, just sit back and relax. Okay? There is a way to do it on those. It actually isn't too bad, but I got to remember what keystrokes to get you there.
Okay.
Okay, so just relax with that. The 123. Now hit that angle menu, guys. And number 1 under there should be a degree symbol.
Yeah.
Select it. So you have 123 degrees.
Oh.
Yeah, you were supposed to put the 123 in there.
Just degrees in general.
So we should have, at this point in time, whoops, not the crayon. Oh, there. We should have that much in our calculators. All right. Now, go ahead and type in the 45.
And put the little thing out. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah, don't hit plus. Just type it in like this is here.
Oh.
So then you should have, once you type in the 45, you select that angle menu again. Number 2 under there should be the notation for minutes. And so now we should have this much in our calculator. No plus signs presumed, just 123 degrees, 45 minutes. Now, don't get ahead of me, and don't assume you know what we're doing. Now we're going to type in 30. And then you hit the green alpha key. And I believe it's the plus sign that's got the double quotes.
Yep.
What?
And then if you hit enter,
No.
there should be that decimal down there.
That's wicked.
Plus sign.
Wicked.
So why is the second one, like why is the second button different? Why is it not-
It's when they did the programming, they just needed a notation, so that's where they found it. And then it tells it, oh, you use this, this is what it's supposed to be. They were just saving space in other places. All right, now, if we're here and we haven't hit clear, if you hit that angle menu again,
Angle?
and number 4 said arrow DMS, if you select it and then hit enter, it should send it back.
Hey, look at that.
Well, man.
Mr. DMS.
Not too bad, right? And then we'll do it. All right? Questions about that?
I love
You can take